Welcome to Auto Car, your go-to channel for the latest automotive insights, reviews, and in-depth explorations of the hottest vehicles on the market. Today, we're diving deep into the 2025 Toyota Crown, a name synonymous with luxury, innovation, and performance. Let's start with the exterior design. The 2025 Toyota Crown exudes a bold, premium look, combining sleek elegance with a commanding road presence. Toyota has refined its signature design language, featuring a striking front grille with an intricate mesh pattern that seamlessly integrates with its sharp LED headlamps. The headlights, now slimmer and more aggressive, give the Crown a futuristic appearance. The sculpted hood and aerodynamic body lines create a sense of motion even when standing still. Moving to the side profile, you'll notice the high riding stance that blends sedan comfort with crossover practicality. The sleek roofline gently slopes towards the rear, enhancing its sporty appeal. Chrome accents along the window trims add a touch of sophistication, while the available 21-inch alloy wheels provide a dynamic and confident look. At the rear, the Crown features a full-width LED taillight bar, a signature design element that enhances its modern appeal. The trunk lid sports a subtle integrated spoiler, adding a hint of sportiness. Below, the dual exhaust outlets, neatly tucked within the sculpted bumper, highlight its performance-oriented nature. The exterior color options include new premium shades like magnetic gray, supersonic red, and a stunning bi-tone black combination for those seeking a bolder statement. Stepping inside, the interior of the 2025 Toyota Crown is a fusion of luxury, technology, and comfort. The cabin is crafted with high-quality materials, including soft-touch leather, premium wood trims, and ambient lighting that enhances the overall ambiance. The driver's cockpit features a fully digital 12.3-inch instrument cluster paired with a massive 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system, seamlessly integrated for an intuitive user experience. The seats are designed for maximum comfort, with available heated and ventilated options wrapped in premium leather. The spacious rear seats offer generous legroom and headroom, making long journeys effortless. The panoramic sunroof floods the cabin with natural light, enhancing the sense of space. Technology-wise, the Crown is loaded with features. It comes equipped with Toyota's latest multimedia system, supporting wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A premium JBL sound system with 11 speakers delivers a theater-like audio experience. The climate control system is dual-zone, with an intelligent air filtration system for a fresher cabin environment. Under the hood, the 2025 Toyota Crown continues to impress with its performance. Toyota offers a hybrid max powertrain, featuring a 2.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine paired with an electric motor, producing an impressive 340 horsepower. The E4 Advanced all-wheel drive system provides enhanced stability and control, ensuring a smooth and confident ride. With a fuel efficiency rating of approximately 30 mpg combined, the Crown strikes a perfect balance between power and efficiency. Looking at its history, the Toyota Crown has been a staple in Toyota's lineup since 1955, evolving from a luxury sedan into a cutting-edge premium model with global appeal. The 2025 version continues this legacy, blending tradition with modern innovation. Finally, let's talk pricing. The base model starts at around $41,000, while the higher trims, equipped with advanced features and premium materials, can reach up to $55,000. This pricing keeps the Crown competitive within the luxury sedan segment, offering outstanding value for money. That wraps up our deep dive into the 2025 Toyota Crown. What are your thoughts on its design, interior, and performance? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Autocar for more in-depth car reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.